3 guesses why I decided to run for office. What might have pissed me off? Anyone?
Women's reproductive rights.
Women's reproductive rights. I'm a little upset. Just a little. All right, we're gonna close out the night with a little song about that.